So in this video, we're gonna go through the how to create the campaign on Dialora. So what exactly the campaign feature is? The campaign feature is all about doing an outbound call in the bulk. Make sure you have the right contact details and you are uploading contact details, and make sure you have right to contact them and they are willing to receive the contacts. So that's a mandatory requirement before you use the campaigns using Dialora. Perfect. So there are total two parts, whom to call and how to call. So let's first of all do whom to call. So for that, you have to upload a list of contact details. So you need to go to contacts on the left side of the Dialora after login. You click on create group. And so let's say there is one scenario that I want to remind to all the users, hey, tomorrow there is an event, make sure you attend on the time. So I am going to call reminder call. Let me create a contact group. Once contact group is there, on the right side, over here you will see upload contacts. You will see the same group. By clicking I agree that I have rights and permission to call them. Over here you need to upload the CSV file. The CSV file format, you can find a sample file over here using download button. Once you click the download button, it will be downloaded into your local machine. Make sure you follow the same format because that's how Dialora is using that particular format. So make sure you use the same format to avoid um, any discrepancy in the output itself. So let me upload a couple of contact details that I have already read in the same format. I drag and drop over here the CSV file. It's called reminder call.csv, and I update. You can see now my all the calls, all the contact details has been put together over here. It's more than 50 or 60 phone numbers that I can check over here, like all the phone numbers. Perfect. So whom to call, now that has been figured out. Now the question is how to call them. Perfect. So let's go to campaign, create a campaign. I want to say reminder call for AI event. Perfect. Which group you want to call them, reminder call. Which agent you want to call them, just example that this particular agent have selected. What time I want to call them. Make sure you specifically select the time zone, whichever particular time zone you want to call them. Perfect. So let's go with any specific time zone. Just example, I'll choose the America Christian one. And by default, there will be 3 seconds of delay. We are making sure that your phone number is not being blocked. If you have any specific use case where you say, okay, now you want to do all the concurrent calls, there is a way you can reach out to our support team and then we can help you. After filling up all the details, you click over here. I acknowledge that outbound campaign must comply with applicable laws in your local country laws or wherever you are calling. After doing agreement, you can save, and then at specific time, it will start calling your contact details. So let's say let's say tomorrow morning, I have this particular event. I want to call them in morning, let's say 7 a.m. to make sure like they remember today there is an event. Oops. Yeah. Make sure you click on the done button as well. So at least it saves. This is the done button. Okay, perfect. So I think I have already scheduled everything. Seems good. Click on save button. Once you are done with that, your setup has been done. Once after the setup is done, make sure you click on start campaign. Are you sure you want to start the campaign? Reminder call for a event. Click, and then it will start calling in one day because I have scheduled for tomorrow. Now, by in any case, now let's say by tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. American time or scheduled particular time zone, it will start calling. All the call history can be seen over here in this particular tab, and you can search as well, and you can filter using different filters like, hey, it was like busy, call disconnected, they cancel, it was failed, in progress, queued, etc. Now, the question over here is after every call is done, and then in between, if you feel, oh, no, you want to pause this, using this pause button, you can pause that particular campaign as well. Perfect. Oh, good. So, and then all the call volume you can see over here in this particular dashboard, in this particular diagram as well. And outcomes you can check over here. Not answered, follow up needed, leads and answered. Perfect. And then in the customer satisfaction, it will show you like it was positive, negative, neutral. And the lead conversion, it will show like how many leads were positive generated and like that. This particular graph will be changed accordingly. And the same for the lead trends, like if it's a outbound calls regarding lead generation, it will come over here how many leads has been generated. This is right, the current campaign is all about call reminder itself, so there is no lead that gonna come out. Perfect. And then you can export the CSV as well, about if you want to kind of import somewhere or you want to do some further analysis as well, you can always do an export CSV. So you can click on export CSV button once your campaign is completed, and you will get all the call details and call history as well. Perfect. And that's how exactly your campaign works. If you do have any further question, query, happy to answer. Reach out to our support team at dialora.ai. Thank you.